Welcome to the most beautiful waterfall in Nigeria. Today we are going to be going to Niagara Falls. It's a waterfall in Nigeria. We're just going to get some dope shots there, so you guys should come along on this trip. We have the Roniness and a lot more other gear. There's a dope view from this hotel room. Let me just show you. Oh, have fun, it's parking.
What's going on, guys? Today is a beautiful day. We're heading back to Niagara Falls. I've been to Niagara Falls before, but I don't think Tyra has gone there. Have you gone there before?
No, I've never gone there. But I think I saw it in your video.
Yeah, Niagara Falls is one of the most popular waterfalls in Nigeria. It's a travel destination. Also, there's Kainji Dam in the same state, Niger State.
Oh, that's where Kainji Dam is?
Yeah, Niger State.
So we're currently walking to where the bus is going to take us out. There's a big ass, long ass, luxurious bus that is meant to take us to Niagara Falls. So that's the bus that is going to take us where we're going to now.
Mr. John,
I'm coming.
we are good to go. Okay. Yeah, I get one person, but we'll not leave and they go, no worry.
So we just currently arrived at the Niagara waterfalls, and wow, you guys should see this, this is insane. This is my first time coming to the waterfall in Niger State. Niagara Falls is in Niger State. We're going to get a drone up and we're going to fly the drone over the waterfall. Niagara Waterfall is located in Niagara, a local government area of Niger State, not central Nigeria. The waterfall is approximately 30 meters in height and it lies on the Niagara River along the Suleja Mina Road. According to Wikipedia, prior to the discovery of the waterfall by the Europeans, Niagara Waterfall was worshipped by people living in the communities around it. So they probably just wake up in the morning and just walk to the waterfall like, "Oh waterfall, please give us our daily bread." It is said that Niagara Waterfalls and Niagara River were named after two deities called Gura and Rara. We took off from Abuja around 9 a.m. in the morning and got to Niagara around 11 a.m. It took us about 1 hour 40 minutes to get there from Abuja. It was a fun ride and the roads weren't so bad, even if we saw potholes. Roads in Nigeria. Gate fee to gain entrance to the resort was 1,000 naira. I've never seen a waterfall in my life. This was the first waterfall I'm actually seeing in Nigeria. I've not been to any waterfall before, but this place is awesome. Listen, they always say, when was the last time you did something for the first time? When you do stuff for the first time, you get to break boundaries. People should learn to explore more of Nigeria. There are so many hidden gems, so many hidden places. The scenery of the place was really great. We ate, chilled under the tree shade, and learned a lot from each other. Went with a group of friends for a training session called the Marksman Experience, which was a travel and filmmaking event organized by my team. I'm walking down these steps currently. We're trying to get to the bottom. I'm trying to watch my steps so I don't fall down. I went down like this. And now we're at the bottom, so we can see the water directly. Warning sign, please don't swim. I'll advise you not to get into the fast flowing water as you might drown. The rocks were very slippery and my friend Wizzy almost drowned.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I should vlog this. Get up.
Guy, carry me up now.
I want to.
Oh, they listen that too. Guy, my phone, guy.
Oh, Wizzy just fell into the water. Carry your hat. You almost fell into the water, like really? How does it feel?
Oh my man. That was a very quick decision moves, man. Right there. Not going to the water, protect myself and protect the camera. Hey.
Yes. And this place is awesome. I just wish the government of Nigeria could like think about places like this and actually spend more, because nature has actually done it for us already. I feel there are so many activities that can happen here, so many activities, and this can be a way of generating income for Nigeria generally. But I actually, where is coming into this grove? I'm currently standing on this dangerous rock right here. My view of Gura Waterfall in Nigeria is that it can be a gold mine if developed properly by the government. To be honest, this would have been an awesome place to camp for the night. Bring tents and relax with your friends like they do in all those American movies. I would not advise you to do that due to security reasons, except you're carrying your own security guards to the venue. I also hope the government will open up their eyes to see the beauty of this place and invest more resources in it, because this could be a gold mine for the state or for the country. So if you're out to explore Nigeria, you should check out the beautiful Gura Waterfalls and you would not be disappointed. This place is awesome.